Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out a tie-dye t-shirt. Gonna put y'all on the tripod. Outside with the cool water right now. Gonna move inside with the hot in a minute. These are kind of hard to wash out because they're so intricate. They trap a lot of dye, obviously. We just want to get the majority of it out. Everything's sitting on the top out, you know, just give it a good rinse out here before we move it inside and wash it for real, rinse it out for real. All that on the bottom. Look at how all the little bullseyes are inflating because of the water pressure going through the backside of them. That's funny. Look at it. They look like little balloons. Look at that. That'd make a good thumbnail. I think that's going to be about good enough on that one. We'll carry it inside and band it to really wash it. To the inside. Alrighty. Look at them all popped up. Got it inside now. Crank it up to the hot water. Rinse it with that hot water. Looks like we got all the surface dye off, so let's go ahead and start unbanding. Quite a few of them on this one. Getting it unbanded. One of the larger ones there. It just never ends. Okay, I think that's all of them. I think that is all of them. Alrighty, look how vivid those colors are. Wow. Let's see what we got. Oh, just a little sneak peek, right? Ooh, look at that. I'll show you what it really looks like. Whoa. Wow, look at that. Okay, that came out really good. Look at all those bullseyes. Good definition, even down to the sleeves. Look at all those. Wow. Let's throw him in the washer. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay. I am quite impressed. Look at that. Lots and lots of bullseyes. Nice little pink centers on all of them. Good lavender here in the middle. I probably should have put a little more lavender down here, but that's okay. Look at that. Beautiful colors. Made some nice greens. Oh yeah. I think that came out wonderful. I didn't make the bullseyes very pronounced, but that was on purpose. But yeah, it's the most we've stuffed onto a shirt yet, and this isn't even a very big one. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.